My bitch in the back of the bank. Yeah. That can't cost a couple of stacks. We fucking no strings attached. Procrastinate, relax. We cover up.
Boda bang. What's up, guys? It's your boy Money, and we back again with another POV. You feel me? Late night run to the store. You feel me? Quick. 12 p.m. run, 11 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Not p.m. Whoa, pause. 11 a.m. No, pause. 11 p.m., 12 a.m. run to the store. What the fuck am I saying? Let me just drive the damn car, bro. Mama just drive the car, dog. Guys, so what am I saying, brody? Let me turn. Bro, I can't talk for shit, bro. Let me turn the air down. Y'all see what's going on, chat. Y'all see what's going on, chat. Y'all see what that shit on? Oh, yeah. 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 Safety first, y'all. Make sure y'all wear y'all seatbelt. No bullshit. Hold on. This shit kind of tangled right now. Hold on. Yeah. Make sure y'all wear y'all seatbelt, chat. Y'all want to see a pull? I want to see if I can launch it. Yo, that shit crazy, car. Bumblecleat machine, boy. Like, sweet, my dog. Rap. Like, sweet, boy. No better milk. But yeah, kind of little POV drive to the store, you feel me? Ain't nothing crazy. It's right down the road too, so it's not even like it's far. And yeah, just decided why not. I'm going out for a drive in the night. I got the new lights in, thanks to my boy Nate. We got 200 on the dash. Yeah, we right, bro. We right, no cap. Let me know if y'all love this color, or if y'all prefer like a blue, or, you feel me? Me personally, I kind of really jack with a pink. It ain't like too bright, but I feel like it's fire, bro. It's fire, no cap, no kizzy. And y'all see it's pink down there too.
What is going on here?
I ain't even mean that shit like that. Yeah. But we on the way to the store right now. These people need to get out the way. Yo, I will give you guys like a mod update, but I don't feel like I have too much mods on it yet. So I'm just waiting to do the mod update. Cause I only got, let's say, 3 cosmetic and 1 performance. And then I got a couple things I want to get in soon. I'm low-key looking to get some sponsorship too, but I know I need to get a little more consistent with the posting. Yeah, bro. This is the lights right now. It's fire, gang. No cap. We got Skip right there, sir. Go get the money, go get the money, go. Go get the money, go. Bumbo clad.
That is what my mind and the dream at that wake up. Life just nice, get the beats and I lay it up. Celebrate ice, this year I make up. Get your one wide on the crowd, that's staying up. Get the you, get the go, get the money, go.
Go get the money, go get the money, go. Go get the money, go get the money, go. Bro, these roads might look empty, bro, but I kid you not. That might be a cop lurking somewhere. What is Shorty doing on the ground, though? Yeah, chat. Let's wind up the windows and go get all stuff real quick. You feel me? Oh shit, I dropped the money. I dropped the money, chat. Let's see if they go say something about the camera too. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, it's kinda like you just gotta walk like you own the place type shit. You gotta do this shit with confidence. You gotta do this shit with confidence. Confidence. Where's the cut waters though? Where are the cut waters, gang? I'm here for the cut waters. It looks like these people ain't cutting no waters, gang. Cause what? I ain't seen no cut water, fam. Let me go ask. You guys have any cut water?
Yeah.
Where?
Aisle 2, second.
Aisle 2? Okay. Appreciate it. Sorry.
You good.
Cut water, like cut the water, gang. Like cut that hose. Cut that shit, gang. Cut that shit, gang. Shorty says she wanna try the spicy mango though. We had this one already. That's calm. Calm. Mango, that shit 12%. Let's see. Got a cut order. Yep. Appreciate it. You too. He got a cut order, chat. The cut order. I heard this should be cutting niggas up. I heard this should be cutting niggas' ass, bro. No cap. I hear this shit be cutting up, fam. Let's strap that bitch in, son. Why was that car waiting right there, bro? I swear sometime, bro, people be asking to get freaking sparked, bro. No cap. Easy, I can slide that hoe, chat. Slide that hoe, chat. Boy. They was probably wondering what the hell was that behind in chat. What the hell was that? Who did that? I can't bet it's a thug. A thug. In the meantime, they're on the skipper though.
Get the money, go get the bag. Handful of Franklin, Kingpin, phone can't break. Banking system, boss call head. Book a new victim, me check so send you rust there. For them just a jack 2 bed. Full of case of 15 to a sample. Brand new 5th gen imported. Money by a windscreen, full it up a let charge. Yeah, make it cheap, please. Buy a nigga, that's my mind on the gym and now we go. Life just nice, kill the beast and I'm here done. Seven get nice and I see how me go. Everyone mind and we brother stand up. Get the money, go get the money, go get the money.
Go get the money, go get the money, go. So there's a little stadium that live right here, you feel me? A little stadium that live right here. So I'ma keep it cordial, passing him. Respect to the law. Respect to the law. Respect to the law. But you see at this stoplight though, chain through the gears, man. I look, you fucked up that one. Cut that, cut. Damn. I almost hurt you, baby. I'm sorry. I heard you screaming. I'm sorry, shawty. need to know how to bend the corners, gang. Bend the corners, gang. Bend the holes, gang. I gotta wait until buddy come on his big ass truck before I can pop the whole. Like, can't use you not coming out of the damn truck. Like, gang saw me there. And was acting like he didn't want to move out the damn way. Like, mad weird, gang. No bullshit. But, yep. That's the end of today's POV. Let me grab my cut water, cut that shit. And let's get out of here. Hold on though, but before I go, let me turn this off. In case Shorty come and drive the car, you feel me? I don't wanna have to do it to her. But yeah, chat. That's the end of today's POV. You feel me? Fuck you. End of today's POV. If y'all like that, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. This is where the bang is at, fam. No cap.
Bye, have a great time.